Decent proposal is racing just started while Lord Bonnie came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Northern Arrow Accuracies by the rail. Next online is Decent Proposal, while the favorite Lord Bonnie is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Northern Arrow, followed closely by Accuracies in second. Decent Proposal comes next, while Lord Bonnie is still running at the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn, we have Northern Arrow by about 2 lengths. Accuracies in second. Decent Proposal comes next, while Lord Bonnie is still running at the tail of the field. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Northern Arrow maintaining a length and a half lead. Accuracies in second. Decent Proposal comes next, while Lord Bonnie is still racing in fourth. And at the far turn, we have Northern Arrow, this time by about 3 lengths. Accuracy in second. Decent Proposal comes next. Lord Bonnie still in fourth. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Northern Arrow, this time by about 3 lengths. Accuracy in second. Decent Proposal comes next. Lord Bonnie as they swing for home. We have Northern Arrow by a length and a half. Accuracy is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Northern Arrow, Accuracy, Lord Bonnie on the other outside. Accuracy, Lord Bonnie moves up, and finally it's Lord Bonnie, Accuracy, Northern Arrow.
At yun nga po ang pagkakaremate nitong si Lord Bonnie sa ating race number 2.
At ang ginawang preba, 18 medyo, 25, 25 media, at 29 media. 138.6 ang naging preba ni Lord Bonnie. At that is rider Byong Camanero Jr., Exhibition Byong. Ang ginawa mo kay Lord Bonnie.
Ano bang tawag, ano bang termino sa karera yung ganong klaseng paglabas sa aparato ng ano?
Sa amin kasi ang turo sa akin ni Peter Jan, slow out. No?
Slow out.
Slow
Sa
out.
Tagalog. May tawag sila gano'n. Yung hindi.
Nagbantite sa alis.
Gano'n, nagbantite. May tawag sila dyan eh.
Yan ang termino ng mga hinete dyan. Ito, yung nire-request natin ISO cam shot. Buo ito.
Buo ba?
Buo.
Ang lakas mo naman, Kid Direk.
Siyempre, pinakain ko kanina ng tilapia yun. Ayan, tingnan nyo, racing fans, oh. Yung iwan niya, nung sumalida, tumorote pa. Tingnan mo naman, oh. O yan, oh, tumorote, oh. Ngayon lang, yan, medyo, di ba? Tapos, kung mapapansin nga nila dito sa may last bend, medyo wide pa yung turn ni Lord Bonnie.
Ang pakiramdam ni Jackie BM Camanero.
Buo ang kumpiyansa niya eh.
Oo.
Di ba? Buo yung kumpiyansa niya. Despite na huling-huling kanyang kabayo, still, narate niya, narendahan niya na siguro iniisip din niya na total, malakas naman Ramimati itong entry ko. Mag-aantay na lang ako ng last 400. Hindi niya inaalintana yung layo ng mga kalaban, yung layo.
Galing, ha? Maraming napatagilid.
Natagalan pa nga, actually coach, natagalan pa nga ito kay Decent Proposal eh.
Na ipadpad pa siya, no?
Di ba? Yan ganda ng makikita nyo rito sa ginawa ni Lord Bonnie na to. ISO cam shot po ang nagkatid sa inyo yan. Tutok na tutok. Doon sa atin na nalyamad at nanalong si Lord Bonnie.
Wala pa ako nakikitang nalalapitan. Ayan, nalalapitan na.
Ito, ayan yung sinasabi ko na medyo natagalan pa siya kay Decent Proposal. Sa kurbahan, tingnan mo naman coach, medyo mapapawide pa yung kanyang turn. Umilag pa kay Decent Proposal. Pero dito sa rekta, although nilipat yung ISOCAM, biglang a-appear itong ating eventual winner at official ng si Lord Bonnie. Ayun. Ayos. Thank you. Sa napakagandang ISOCAM shot.